Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to find your account number on DBS Bank in 2025. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick reminder, this process is straightforward and can save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the DBS mobile app installed on your phone or access to the DBS website. If you're using the app, open it up and log in with your username and password. Security is key, so double-check that you're on a secure network. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard or home screen. This is usually the main page you land on after logging in. Look for a section labeled Accounts or My Accounts. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of your linked bank accounts. Now, select the specific account you're interested in. For example, if it's your savings or checking account, click on it to view the details. On the next screen, you should see key information like your account balance, type, and yes, your account number. It's often displayed at the top or in a prominent spot for easy access. If you're on the DBS website instead, the steps are similar. Log in through the browser, go to the Accounts Overview page, and click on the account you need. Your account number will be right there. One quick tip: if you can't find it, check your bank statements or the Profile section. And remember, never share your account number with untrusted sources to keep your finances safe. There you have it. That's how you easily locate your DBS account number in 2025. It only takes a minute. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.